Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to get Tinder Gold for free without using any trials or anything like that. This is a method that I discovered recently, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let me open up my Tinder app and show you an example of a profile with Tinder Gold. As you can see, it has all the features like super likes, boosts, and more. So if you're interested in getting Tinder Gold for free, keep watching this video. The first thing you need to do is open your browser, then go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. This website has tons of amazing coupons for different apps and websites, and they are all legit and working. But today, we are only interested in the Tinder Gold coupon. So just find it on this website and click on See More. Here, you will see the coupon details. It has a 5-star rating, which means that it has worked for everyone. Additionally, we can see that there are over 1,000 coupons left, so you can be pretty confident that you'll get your coupon. And of course, here is our coupon. We can read that it provides only 1 month of premium, but you can repeat this process every time your Tinder Gold expires, so I think that it is worth it. To get the code, click on Show Coupon button, but you will notice that the code is locked. No worries, guys, we can unlock it in no time. Just click on the Unlock Code button and it will redirect you to the unlocking page. The unlocking process is very easy and fast. It will take you less than 15 minutes depending on where you are from. When I click on one of the offers here, it takes me straight to the App Store, so everything is safe and secure. I don't want to make this video too long, so I will pause it here and come back to you when I'm done with the unlocking process. Alright guys, I'm back. After you finish the unlocking process, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then click on Show Coupon again, and as you can see, our coupon is now unlocked. This is really amazing, and took me less than 15 minutes. Now just simply copy the code and paste it in the app. So that's how you can get Tinder Gold for free. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and peace out.